guys, Cooking with Kenny here to tell you about our new show, our new channel, our new look for 2018. Go check out our new YouTube channel, the Butt Off Kitty Cat channel. Meow. Have all your entertainment about cats and how cute they can be. And check out our Butt Off Kitty Cat channel exclusive, The Adventures of Morris Ginger and Snowball. Tune in to the Butt Off Kitty Cat channel for all your kitty cat entertainment needs. The Butt Off Kitty Cat channel, the newest division of Butt Off Productions. Also, we are changing our name from the Penny Butt Off channel to the Cooking with Kenny channel, for Cooking with Kenny is our main show. So go check out the Butt Off Kitty Cat channel today if you are a cat lover and you want to see about cats, hear about cats, look at cats, and all kinds of stuff about cats. Check out the Butt Off Cat channel, a division of Butt Off Productions.